Competing for Miss F Universe 2 Tap 7.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the board of judges. Standing in front of you, I'm Watson Roa. I'm 19 years old, and I'm proud to represent my country, Botswana.
Miss Colombia.
Joining this competition is not just to compete, but to be part of it. A glorious evening in Mabuhay Fahrenheit, ladies and gentlemen, and those in between. Or should I say Buenos Dias, Gloria Diaz, Jojo Diaz, Paquito Diaz, Romy Diaz, Julio Diaz, Chester Diaz, lahat ng Diaz, sinaan niya at kasamay reunion. Well, I'm Carolina Gomez Diaz, 22 years stunner, and I came all the way wearing the most beautiful bisexual looks. Viva Colombia! At bago ko listanin ang maraming sulok na itablado ito, nais ko sana mag-iwan ng mga katagang. Bakla kami sa inyong paningin, bakit hindi niyo subukang mahalin? At kung hindi liligay sa inyong piling, saka din na kami limutin. Maraming salamat.
Doctor, I am sick of love songs, so tired of tears. Hi, my name is Soxy Tapasha, 2 years old. I'm proud to represent the Pacific Islander, Fiji! Give a man a fish and he will live for a day. Teach a man how to fish and will live for a lifetime. Kalispera prawn to everyone. I'm Helen Troll, 22, and I'm proud to represent my country, the home of where wisdom, grace, and beauty reigns, and the home of 300 rock-hard ab Spartans. Ahoo! Ahoo! Greetings! Namaste. Good evening. Mabuhay Fahrenheit. My name is Kamasutra Sen, and I'm proud to represent my country, Bombay, India. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hello? Kung ang perlas ng silangana matatagpuan sa karagatan, narito sa inyong harapan ang isang Diyosa ng kagandahan. Mapa-high tide man o low tide, huwag lang ma-red tide. Narito po ako upang ibahagi sa inyo na natagpuan ka na sa loob ng Fahrenheit ang tao na patibok ng aking puso. At ayun siya, oh. Ako po, si Jinky Oda Pahada na nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang magandang salita at kasabihan kung ang mga babae ang siyang mga lababo, kung ang mga lalaki ang siya namang tubo. Ako po ay inyong lingkod na individual na nasa ganitong katayuan at siya namang tubero na maglilinis ng parado ng tubo. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Estupenda, Hooray, maganda, malago. No matter which way you said it, it only means one thing, and that is beautiful. Annyeonghaseyo, my name is Ivor Ann Chitanko, 18 years of age turner, from Seoul, Korea, and now here in Fahrenheit in Quezon City. Proudly representing my country, Korea. Thank you.
Pretending to become a woman and always trying to act like a real woman. Ladies, and to our respective judges, a beautiful lady in front of you is always trying to become like a real human. Mi nombre es Talia Marimar Rojas, vengo de Acapulco, Mexico.
Listen up, yo, so this is it. The big bitch is coming up to give you a shit. Legalicious definitions make the boys go loco. You can see me, you can squeeze me, I'm easy, I'm sleazy. So that's why the reasons why the boys come and go easy. I'm delicious, that's why I'm obnoxious. So if you're not suspicious, I let you expectatious. So check it out. Mayo pa bengi po ikuangan, di ako po ang taga-diyon. Isang 9 años, representante Viva El Nica. No, Guagua, Pampanga.
Buenas noches, muy guapo caballeros, bello hermosas señoritas, muy listo, inteligente jurados. Welcome to Fahrenheit. Este uno más feliz de mi vida. In English, this is one of the happiest days of my life. In Plano La Cuerda, Ilocanoca, in Tagalog, wala pa rin akong regla. Pero I'm Alpha Vida Oxinara 22, representante de la Niña El Niño, Panama. Thank you.